got the digi and the short wide. I'm telling you, it's short wides everywhere. This mug is tough. Let's see. They got that big block in here. Then this Regal over here is LS swap. He got the 5.3 in here. This mug sound good. Look at this setup. I like how it's set up. Look how it's set. Another short wide. Another short wide. Another short wide. I'm telling you. And y'all probably like, why you ignore the donk? Trust me, I didn't. Here's another donk. Another car. Another short wide. Kind of like a frame off. This is tracing short wide. Go back and watch the last video if you haven't.
This is what we're doing over here, man.
And you'll see it at the end. But I'm telling you, straight to it, long bed. I'm telling you. Please subscribe. Subscribe. Who's dropping content like this? Look at this, man.
Like them little wheels too, though.
I know, this setup's nice.
I like them hoes too, but
Nah,
the
man, I
nigga
wouldn't
that had
take
it.
shit up. Don't have told the nigga, man.
$14.99 a month for a streaming app, and $9.99 a month for a music app.
The nigga that had it, he bought the wrong outfit. So that's why they
For a
broke.
bunch of other apps.
I do like this. This wheel setup is nice. Don't. Man, this mug is tough. Hey, start it up for me. This mug sound good. This mug sounds good. Got the shifter in the floor. I like this mug. This mug do sound good. I'm about to hit it. This mug is a start button. I didn't even notice that. That is freaking crazy. Big Denny had put his wheels back on. Telling you, some stay up here at the shop. Always something. He got red interior. Y'all never seen it. Mug tough. I like that. But like, what I was saying, that short wide out there, that's tracing short wide. The one y'all seen running the other day, I'll put a clip. Quick, easy, title, clean, all that. He got that so he could do some restoration to the frame and all of that. So y'all stay tuned to that project. And man, it might be something crazy coming to the channel. Please like, comment, subscribe, man. We only going up from here. got a Trailblazer SS over here too. Not bad, not bad. Floor pan. Update is currently now like 12 and we're making our first stop since Whataburger. Need to put some gas in the trunk. My dad already checked the straps. I was doing last minute homework. Let me go ahead and my bad. Update. We're about 2 hours out from our crib. People are blowing me up. Yes, this car is for sale. About time y'all see it, it probably will be gone, but here's the 1975 Caprice convertible. One of the hottest cars on the market if you're in the dunk game. Has a 400 small block or big block, whatever. Needs a little bit of frame restoration, whatever. Most people that get dunks do frame off now if you really got that bag. Everyone's telling me to keep it, but that check call like brrr, that check call like brrr. Sorry man, I be everywhere with this shit, man. I really do. I be everywhere with this. But y'all stay tuned. I need to go inside, pay for gas, and get back on the road. Almost home, man. Almost freaking home. Drop doing good, man. It's posted on Facebook. Everybody blowing me up, man. We almost there. Baby running, man. $400 sound good. Next day, see the 6.2 and the 75. People already blowing my phone up for this car. Posted it for $15K last night. Made a long turnaround trip. My dad had got underneath here. Let me show y'all. Dad got underneath here. Oh, this is just surface rust. I don't know if I was showing it, but look at that. Cleaned right up. Need somebody to go under here and do it. Got the floor pans. You can see where it needs to be cut all through. Not too bad. They say 75's in style right now. Everybody on the 75. It went from the 1s to the 5s. The top make a little noise. Need that relay. Brand new gas tank. Rust right here. See it right there where it needs to be did. Trunk. Brand new gas tank underneath here. Mug start up. Burn rubber. Might get a few driving clips. I want my dad to start it up for y'all real quick. She's not bolted down. Mug sound like a race car. They say you pull up in the vert with the top gone. That mug sound good. What y'all thinking, man? Sell the 72, keep the 75. Sell the 75, dump more money into the 72. Got the 6.2 ready. 6L80 ready. But this mug spark up right now. It's ready to go. I do got the side skirts. I don't have the rear door panels. If y'all got some of these, let me know. See if the windows work. Got a little something going on. Yeah, a little something going on. Let's see. Don't know about this one. Oh yeah. I hear it. Oh, this trying to move too. Oh, we might be in business.
You gotta jump them off of them.
Yeah. Mug sound good. Need some lug nuts. Not too bad. Not too bad. What's good? Coming back to give y'all a recap of everything that pretty much happened in this video. Started off at the shop, showed y'all everything around the shop. Then ended up going to Dallas to pick up the 75 Vert. Has a title, runs and drives. Does need some body work, as you can see. Surface rust on the frame. Rear end has a few spots around the body. Doesn't have a top, no vinyl. Needs a relay. I think the exhaust is cut, that's why it's so loud, but it does burn out, do rubber, or burn rubber, whatever. So the big question is, do I sell the 72, put that motor in there, get my money back, or do I keep the 75, put the 6.2 in there, and just keep the project going? Y'all let me know. Comment down below. Thank everyone for supporting all the new content. Like I said, hey man, no one's doing it like me. It's a whole lot of stuff going on. So y'all just be ready, man. If you haven't, go back and watch the last video. More projects coming. I'm not sure what I'm doing with my own car situation. Things change so quickly. So that's why I say like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned.